Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me here at Kidventures today. We are in the thick of the holidays. We're finishing Hanukkah, we're coming up on Christmas, and so today I just wanted to share some activities that you could do with your little ones at home. Today, however, we're going to be working on our gingerbread boys and girls, or aliens or princesses, whatever they turn out to be, I never know. And so I always like to go ahead and read a story ahead of time to give them some inspiration. And then today, or any supplies you have at home, I've gone and gathered some different yarns, some different fabrics, some pom-poms, buttons, Google eyes. We've got our trusty glue for a super fun hand-eye coordination of just using your fine motor skills to pick things up, to get them onto these small little gingerbread people, and just really have some fun and let the kids be creative. Like I said, this is one of those crafts where I don't personally go ahead and make a model ahead of time because I really want them to use their inspiration and create their own gingerbread person or alien, as I've said. So I'm going to go ahead and call my kiddos in and we're going to get started. So today here at the Daily Debbie, I have joining me my friend Katie and my friend Aubrey, and they're going to be making some different gingerbread people. Who likes to make gingerbread? So I'm going to see what you guys create. I put in our tray lots and lots of different things for you to use, and I have some glue here, and I wanted to see how you would make your gingerbread person. What are you going to do with that gingerbread? Eyes? You're going to start with eyes? Katie, how are you going to get started? Are you going to go for the eyes too? Oh my goodness. Oh, she's going for the big eye. How many eyes will your gingerbread person have? Will they have 2? Will they have 1, 3? What do you think? Oh, okay, Katie. Oh, Katie's going for the big ones. Aubrey, I like the ones you picked out also. So, moms, if you're doing this craft at home, there's a high probability you're gonna have a lot of glue on your gingerbread person, and that's okay. Sometimes what I like to do is count it down. They can squeeze for 1 or 2 seconds, and then we say stop, squeeze just a little, just some different techniques that you can use at home to help your kids make gingerbread and not just glue people. Nice, Katie. Get your eyeball on there. What will you use to make the mouth with? Ooh, what is it, Aubrey? Oh, you're putting buttons down your gingerbread person. Oh, okay, I like it. Are you gonna make a boy or a girl? Aubrey, what are you gonna make, boy or girl? A girl. You're gonna make a girl. Katie, how about you? Wow, I like it. What's next, Katie? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna give him a mouth? All right, go for it. And so again, moms, whatever you have at home, they can use to create with. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just fun and simple, and no matter what they create, it's always a beautiful piece of artwork you can save for each holiday season. Good work. Aubrey, what will you use for the legs or the feet? Are you gonna do anything special with those? Oh my, I like that, Katie. Yeah, I like it. That looks beautiful. So again, parents, this is just open-ended art. It's a great time for you to ask your kids just some questions. What kind of a gingerbread person are they making? Is this a special gingerbread person? What are you going to use for their mouth? How are you going to show that they have a smile or a frown? Are they happy? Are they sad? And that gets your child thinking and using their own creativity to give you some really fun answers and really be thinking about the person, the craft, the art that they're making today. Let's see what we can come up with, my dear. Yep. You're going to get glue in your hand. Here, how's that one? And here's the other one, sweetie. So again, Mom, we definitely have kids that don't like to be messy, or sometimes textures throw them off. And so that's one of the reasons I also really like these kind of projects, is because they're gonna experience some different feelings. It might be sticky, wet, slimy, cold. And it's always kind of fun to see how kids react to these different textures. And Katie needs a lot of glue to get this fabric on. And that's okay, we love it. All right, my dears, we're gonna start to finish this one up, and we can always revisit our gingerbread people in a little bit. One more piece each, and then we're gonna move over to our song that I brought for you girls today. Oh, I like that addition, Katie. And then, moms, later on, after our gingerbread people dry, we're gonna be baking them in the oven, pretend baking, of course, and so that the kids can work on their hand-eye coordination, scooping up their gingerbread person, putting them on the tray, carrying the tray. We count to 10 until they bake, and then we pop them out. They're really beautiful as a garland. If you have a bunch of children at home, or if you're doing this for your classroom, it's really fun to string them up on some twine and just hang them around the room. Look at Katie, she wants to show you what a great job she did. All right, Aubrey, I'm gonna have you get that star on and then freeze for me. 1, 2, 3, stop. Please stand up so tall. Stand up so tall. Come see me. Can you girls come over here to my board? Katie Kate. Come, Aubrey. Thanks, lovely. Thanks, Katie. So look it up on our Christmas board. Today we have a new song. So as you know, if you're following the Daily Debbie, I really love songs for our kids. They really get into the rhythm and the rhyming. You can get them to pretty much follow you anywhere if you just sing song through your house or your preschool. But today our song is all about the gingerbread. And so we're going to talk about the gingerbread man. Are you ready? I'm going to do it once, and then can you guys help me sing the song? Aubrey, you got your singing voice today? Here we go, Miss Katie. Are you ready to make your body like a gingerbread, right? Because he's kind of have stiff arms and stiff legs. Oh, where did my gingerbread man go? Oh, where can he be? Uh-oh, he popped out of the oven and ran out the door. Oh, where can he be? Where's your gingerbread? He ran out the door. Where'd he go? Oh, he's hiding? Katie, where did your gingerbread go? Where'd he go? He's hiding too? Oh my goodness, stand up so tall. Up so tall. All right, are you guys ready to help me sing? Gingerbread body, gingerbread body. And now we're gonna move our body. Oh, where is my gingerbread man? Oh, where can he be? Show me your question hands. Where can he be? He popped out of the oven and ran out the door. Oh, where can he be? Where is he? Aubrey, did he go to the party? I thought yours was going to a gingerbread party. Katie, where did yours go? Oh, he's going over there on our tray. I love it. Can you guys wave to the camera and thank all our friends for watching today? Thanks so much for joining us at the Daily Debbie today. We really hope you have a great Christmas and happy Hanukkah, and we look forward to seeing you in the new year. Thank you. Can you wave? Bye. Can you wave? Wave, Aubrey. Bye. Peace out.